This video demonstrates how to make an auto clicker in Python. I'll be using the pynput module to control the mouse and listen for the events from the keyboard to start and stop the clicking. Next we'll use pip to install the pynput module. To check if pip is set up, open cmd and type pip. If no errors appear, you're good. If you don't have pip set up, you can watch my video of how to set up pip. I'll put the link in the description. Now we can install pynput by typing pip install pynput. Watch the output for any significant errors at the end. If all goes well, it'll say that pynput was successfully installed. To test that it was installed correctly, open the Python IDLE and execute import pynput. Open a new Python file and save it. Now import time and threading, button and controller from pynput.mouse, and listener and key code from pynput.keyboard. Set variables called delay, button, start stop key and exit key at the top and set them as shown. You can change these later to what you want. Now create a class called clickMouse that extends threading.thread and set up its initialization method to take a delay and a button. Make sure you have called the supermethods initialization method and then set two more flags as shown. These will be used to check if the auto clicker is running. Now create three new methods: start clicking, stop clicking and exit. These will control the auto clicker when it is in a separate thread. In the start clicking method, set the running flag to true. In the stop clicking method, set the running flag to false. In the exit method, call the stop clicking method and set the program running to false. Now create a method called run inside the clickMouse class. This is what will be called when the thread is called. In this, we need to create a while loop that makes sure that the programming running flag is set to true. Inside that loop, make another while loop that checks if the running flag is set to true. Now when both of these are true, we need to click the mouse using mouse.click, which we will create later, and then wait for the specified delay. Next we need to create the mouse controller instance and set it to mouse. Then we create a thread instance of the clickMouse class, passing delay and button to it, and then start it. We could call clickThread.startClicking here, and the program will be finished. But to start, stop and end the program easily, we will add some key events like in my keylogger video. Create a method called onPress that takes a key. Then set up a listener instance passing this onPress method and joining it to the main thread. Now inside the onPress method, we need to check if the key press is the defined start-stop key. If it is, then we check if the click thread is running using its flag we created. If it is running, we stop it, otherwise we start it. If the press key was the defined exit key, we need to call the thread's exit method and then stop the listener. This will end the program, as with the listener at the bottom of the script would now be exited. Make sure you have saved this and then run the script. Change the variables at the top if you want. Now go to where you want to click automatically. Rest your mouse and press the key you defined to start and stop the clicking. Mine is S, so when I press this, it will start clicking. To stop clicking, I'll press S again. You can keep pressing this to start and stop. To end, simply press the key you set to end the script. Mine is E, so pressing this will end the script, as you can see by the console closing. You can exit the program if the thread is clicking or not. To get the code for this video and a written tutorial, go to my site that is in the description. Here you'll find many other tutorials you might like.